Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Lit Technology, and today is a very special video. Whether you are a new user to the PlayStation series, or you just upgraded from the PS4 to the PS5, or you have been using it for around 2 years now, there is always something great to learn each and every day. And for today, we are going to take a look at some tips and tricks that you might not know from the PS5. It has been around for quite a while, but there are still some shockers here that I think all of you guys must also know. So sit around for this video. Now, the first couple of things that I want to talk about is with the controllers. Did you know that your PlayStation 5 controller has a super cool trick up its sleeve? With just one press and hold of the mighty PlayStation icon for 10 seconds, you can magically turn off your controller and save its battery life. It's like giving your controller a little nap time so it can recharge its batteries and be ready to play again when you are. Another way to increase battery life is through the settings menu and check out the accessories controller section. Here, you can tweak so many things to help you maximize your battery life. Want to reduce the vibration or tone down the haptic feedback? No problem. You could even turn off the light on the controller if you really want to play a bit longer. And speaking of battery life, one of the most important things you can do if you use a headset is to turn off the speaker on the controller. If you can't hear it, it's just wasting precious battery life. So go forth, fellow gamer, and enjoy your PlayStation 5 to the fullest without worrying about battery life woes. In addition to the light, when playing multiplayer games, the controller lights indicate which player is player 1 to 4. I think that this is a really neat feature. But did you know that your DualSense controller is capable of so much more than just gaming? Yup, it's true. With the gyro functions, you can use motion controls to send messages by pressing L3 and R3 together. And if that's not cool enough, the touchpad can also be used like a mouse in these scenarios. Another thing that you can do is to press down on the D-pad when the hybrid menu appears after tapping the PS button to access useful links and shortcuts. Press the options button to customize the menu order or remove unwanted icons, such as the PSVR settings icon, for a personalized menu experience. You already know this, but pressing the triangle button on the PS5 home screen will jump the cursor to the search icon. Double tapping the PlayStation button has different functions in different apps, such as showing trophy or activity cards while gaming, or audio settings during chats or music playback. I included this for the people who are actually new to the PlayStation 5 and are willing to learn more about it. Going back to the microphone and comms, don't you just hate it when you get to a party and suddenly your friends are laughing as they can hear everything you are doing? That is because the PS5 microphone is turned on by default, but there is a way to turn it off by default. All you need to do is head onto settings and turn it off there. It is super easy to do and can save you from all the embarrassment. And wait, there's more. The PlayStation 5 home screen is like a super organized digital filer cabinet that tracks the last dozen games you open. But if you're like me and have a favorite game that you just can't get enough of, never let them leave the quick access by keeping them in home under the options menu. Look at you playing favorites. The game library on PS5 may not be organized, but you can arrange them in lists or folders for easy access. PS5 even lets you put the same game in multiple folders, making it easy to find your favorite games. Now you can group your games by genre or games by series. The neat thing about this is that you can put the same game in different groups. And now if you have a PS5 and you have not downloaded the PlayStation app on your phone right now, what are you doing? It has a ton of new features that we will talk about right now. The PlayStation app is not just a cool place to check out games and your friend's latest gaming conquest, but it's also your one-stop shop for all the cool captures you make on your console. Every screenshot, every video, it's all linked to your app. Just make sure you have auto upload turned on in the settings under captures and broadcasts. Then all you have to do is click on the game library icon and voila, your captures will be right there at the top of the screen. Now sharing screenshots is made easier thanks to this feature, and there is a lot more that the app can do. Did you know that the PlayStation app lets you manage your console storage and even activate games? Just click on the settings icon, then go to storage to see how much space you've used and which games are taking up the most space. And if you're on the go and want your console ready to go when you get home, simply select the game you want on the app. As long as your PS5 is in rest mode, it will activate and be ready for you when you arrive. But wait, there's more. The app is packed with hidden extras, so make sure to explore all of its features.
If you're looking for life insurance but don't want to have to take a medical exam, you may be wondering how much coverage you can get. The good news is that if you qualify for no medical exam life insurance, you can get up to $2 million in coverage. Please click link in description or call 888-405-4866.
There is even a setting that disables game spoilers. What this does is if the system detects that the picture your friend sends in chat is a spoiler for a single-player story game, it will warn you. Just go to settings, save data and game settings, and make sure warn about game spoilers is turned on. Now, any media sent via PS5 that may contain potential spoilers will be covered up, unless you've already played past that part of the game. This is great for those who really want to feel the thrill of playing the story. The PlayStation 5 will soon have voice command capabilities, allowing users to control their console with voice prompts. But you can try it through settings and scroll down to voice commands to activate it. With the upcoming update, players will be able to launch games, adjust settings, take screenshots, and much more, all with the power of their voice. The voice commands can be activated by saying "Hey, PlayStation," followed by the desired action. This feature will be available for both the console itself and the PlayStation app, making it easier than ever to control your gaming experience. This feature is still a little wonky, but you can send your feedback as it is still a feature coming soon. This allows Sony to improve on it and release it for everyone once it is ready. Hey there, did you know that the PS5 doesn't come with a web browsing app? But no worries, you can still surf the web using a clever trick. Just send links to external sites via direct message to your friends, and voila, you're browsing. And the best part, you can even pin the internet to the side of your screen while gaming. Imagine playing Fortnite while binge watching your favorite YouTube channel. Just press the option button, select pin and choose which side you want it on. Genius, right? This is especially great if you want to follow along a tutorial while playing a puzzle game or mystery game, or just play a video for background noise. Either way, it is a great feature. Double tap the PS button to go back to gaming. Do you want to know how long you have spent playing a specific game? Not only for the PS5, but even for the previous consoles. Now, there is a way to do that. Now, this is super easy to do, so follow along. Just hit that PlayStation button and go to your profile. Then move over to games, and voila, you'll see everything you've played since having a PlayStation device. So, are you ready to find out which game you've played the most? Comment down below your most played game and we will read through your comments. And while you are down there, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you learned something new. Liking the videos also help us grow our channel. We would really love to grow and reach more people, and doing those will help us achieve that. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed. See you next time on Lit Technology.